This video will demonstrate how to load our 500-foot stacked bulk load. This particular load is comprised of 5 100-foot vertical stacks of non-pre-connected hose. This load begins with 2 100-foot stacks of 2.5-inch hose, followed by 3 stacks of 1 3/4 hose. The last stack is loaded as a 100-foot Minuteman attack bundle. Beginning at the right side of the hose bay, load the female coupling in line with the partition, ensuring that the swivel can spin freely. Extend the first length of hose all the way to the front of the hose bed to ensure that the hose load will not shift while the apparatus is in motion. Note that all of the sections above the first layer will be folded at the 8.5-foot marker, except for the Minuteman bundle, which is folded at 7.5 feet. Continue stacking the hose with the next 2 folds approximately 6 inches back from the partition. Each 50-foot section of hose should have 1 long fold and 2 short folds. After the first coupling, begin the next 50-foot section with a long fold, also known as a hand loop. The next 100-foot stack of hose continues to the left of the first stack in the same fashion, with 1 hand loop and 2 short folds per 50 feet. At the end of 200 feet of the 2.5-inch hose, a reducer is placed to begin the 1 3/4 hose stacks. Note the use of a bell reducer in order to lower the chance of snags. Place the first section of 1 3/4 hose to the right of the hose bay. Again, begin the stack with a hand loop and follow with 2 short loops. After the first 50-foot section of 1 3/4 hose, place a pull loop to begin the next section. This pull loop is made by extending the long fold to about the same level as the grab handle below the hose bed. A second 100-foot stack of 1 3/4 hose is made in the same fashion as the first, with a pull loop separating the 2 50-foot sections of hose. Continue loading until the first 200 feet of 1 3/4 hose is completely loaded. Begin the last 100-foot Minuteman attack bundle by placing the nozzle first, in line with the partition board. Place the first 2 folds behind the bail, with the remaining folds in line with the nozzle and partition. When the Minuteman bundle is complete, connect the last 2 couplings to complete the load.